Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters. First and foremost, I'd like to thank the people who are the guardians or custodians or people who are responsible for guarding this mosque to give me the chance again to film here. Yesterday I recorded it, but unfortunately the audio for some reason did not work and failed me. The place where I'm recording now is called Masjid Al Qiblatayn, the mosque of the two qiblas, and it's in the historical city of Zeila in Awdal. This mosque is the first mosque in Somalia, pretty much the whole Somalia Peninsula. One of the first mosques in Africa, and even one of the first mosques around the world, because mosques back in the day used to have two qiblas. This shows you also that Islam has reached Somalia way before it reached many other Muslim nations and Arab nations that are the majority Muslim countries now, because the two qiblas were at the time of Hijrah. Also, this proves that Islam has not been forced upon Somalis, because at that time Muslims themselves were a minority, did not even have any strength to force anyone to become Muslim, because some people might believe that has been the case. But this will further prove the opposite. The other qibla used to be here, the second qibla, which is unfortunately destroyed, as you can see, because of neglect and also because of environmental issues that obviously if it's not reconstructed it will be damaged. So this is the second where the second qibla used to be, and this where the leftover qibla is. Over here you can basically do your wudu, your ablution, even though, to be honest, there's not many prayers happening here every now and then. Here's some more stone left from the old days. Yeah, so that's the Masjid Al Qiblatayn. I think it's very important to show this historical parts, because obviously, especially for Somalis, this is very important because they need to know also their history. And I think in the future, if the country becomes in a better gets in a better situation economically, gets better both economically and politically, that it will be good to create an institute run by Somalis for Somalis that will take care of all these archaeological places around the country, because unfortunately a lot of them are neglected. And if they stay like this, in the future there won't be many of them left, and it's very important to take care of those places, especially for the next generation Somalis, to know their history and to get the chance to see also their history, and also to appreciate some of the important archaeological and historical places that Somalis have built and contributed to. So yes, that's pretty much it, guys, and thank you very much, and peace out.